Hey guys, welcome to my channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex automation. And I trust that you all are well and healthy. And this video is in continuation to the previous video that I uploaded last week about Forex copy trading that we are all set to start on 3rd of May. And guys, this is just an additional service that I'm about to start, and I will keep adding the additional new EAs and once I find them consistent, stable and profitable in my testing, and those are as comparable to the previous Forex EA and robots that I have already uploaded, because I don't upload just for the sake of upload. Okay, so those services, Forex EA robot services, will remain continued as always. This copy trading services is an additional service and is a kind of service which has been intended to target to cater to the conservative to growth traders or investors. I have already discussed all of these in my previous video that I uploaded last week, so I will not talk more on that. And again, this free trial is going to start from 3rd of May, that is Monday, and by 1st and 2nd of May, I will close all the registrations, and I will set up all the accounts to the provider account. You just need to have a good broker with a tight spread and a good VPS that will help you to connect to my account to receive the trades on your account. So what are we trying to achieve with this? Our target is that this service may be suitable for newbie and the novice traders which are new in the market, and may be suitable for conservative traders, those who believe in slowly and consistent growth of their account. Risk level, there is always a risk in Forex market, so we can't deny that, but we will take calculative risk, and there will be different risk level strategies that we will be using, and there will be multiple options that we will discuss later. And what are we try to achieve at the end? I will try to keep the drawdown as low as possible. Guys, drawdown is the truth of Forex. You can't deny that. So drawdown will definitely be there, but we will try to keep the drawdown as low as possible, and it should be calculative, right? It will be calculative, and at the end of the day, your gains should be higher, and at the end of the month, you should get and achieve some decent profits and the returns. Okay. So there is nothing to lose, guys, and this is I'm providing you a free trial. Since I'm new to copy trading, this copy trading services that I'm about to start is something very new for me. I have never used any copy trading software earlier, and I'm not sure like how this is going to be smooth, but just hoping that everything will go on fine. Okay, and since we are providing it on all the free trial, so there is nothing to lose. And we will be including like 3 strategies. Earlier I thought that I will just start with one strategy with a different pair combination in 2-3 combos, as I mentioned in the last video, but then I thought that since I'm providing the free trial, and this free trial I may not be able to provide again later again, so I just thought to include 3 strategies over here. And as I mentioned, like whoever contact me or even in my videos, that I recommend at least 1000 per pair for 0.01 lot. Higher is better. Higher is always better, but at least $1,000 per pair for 0.01 lot to start with. Okay. And I would suggest that in case if you would like to opt for just one strategy, you should opt for EV8 at least, and the other 2 strategies will be optional. However, all the 3 strategies are different from each other, and since you don't have to lose anything, you just have to afford an account and a VPS, you can take the trial for all the 3 strategies and decide at the end of the trial which one suits you better. You are free to create multiple accounts to check which one is better for you, even with multiple brokers, because multiple brokers have different strats, they have different spreads and the trading conditions. So at the end of the day, you will be able to decide which broker suits you better for a particular strategy. The 3 strategies that we will start with, I have just named them. It's HG6, EV8 and AV8. It is just a name that I have given just to identify. Okay. And for the HG6 we will be using 6 pairs. I could have used 3 or maybe 8 or maybe 10 as well, but I just want to make sure that to have a reasonable number of pairs, not to just add something just for the sake of adding. Okay, so I think like 6 pairs are more than sufficient to trade this. And for 6 pairs, as I said, 1000 per pair, it should be 6000 in your demo account. For the EV8 we will be using 8 pairs. With 8 pairs it will be 8000 in your demo account. For the AV8, again this is 8 pairs, so keep at least 8000 in your demo account. Okay, so don't worry about the amount, like if you cannot afford to maintain the same in your real account. This is just a demonstration, this is just a testing, and this is just a free trial, because I would not be able to provide all the permutation and combination of different combination of currency pairs in each of the strategy that I will be using, because I do have limited options and limited infrastructure as well. And after the free trial we will work on maximizing the options that we can, but still I'm just trying to do whatever the best that I can at this moment. And after 3rd of May I would not be able to take any new account in between or after 3rd of May, because in the master account, that would be my provider account, there might be certain trades that are already trading on, or the going on in my account, right? That depends on the market condition, because some trades might have opened few hours back, some trades would have opened 2 days back or 1 day back. So running a fresh account will take some time to adjust with all the trades, because I mean it isn't your account would not be an individual account, right? Like it will be connected to my account, so whatever trade will be closing in my account, that will be closing in your account, and whatever the trade that will be opening in my account, that will be opening in your account. So it's better that we start fresh, but that is not a compulsion. I'm just sharing an example. Like this is my live account again, like these are the trades that are going on. Like you can see, like one trade is running from 21st of April and the other one are 23rd, and today is 26th. So in case if you add one account, fresh account today, it will take the trades whatever that are going to add today, and may not able to take the benefit of the trades that has been opened earlier. So it will take few days to adjust with all this with the system. So it's better to start fresh, but it's not a compulsion. You can still I can still add the account in the first few days, but not after that. Okay, this is just an example of one account. Like this is my other account. Like here also, like you can see that couple of trades are going on from last I mean trades are open from 23rd and today is 26th, so the same thing is applied to over here as well. And same here, these all are my real account that I'm already running. And there is nothing that like some of the people ask, like whether generally I show the trade or the EA testing or the testing results in the demo account. That does not mean that I'm not running it on real account, but that is my choice. Like what kind of robot that I will be using, what kind of strategy that I will be using, that is my personal choice. Okay, so I prefer to put all those things on the demo account because I don't have to deposit or withdraw or anything. But yes, I do trade on my real account. This is just like one account. There is another account, and there are a couple of other accounts as well, right? Like these trades, you can see these trades, you can see these trades. So these all are running in my real account. And with the obvious reason, I would definitely suggest, like in case if you're interested in these strategies to take a free trial, uh, let's start it fresh when we start it on 3rd of May. Okay, and why I choose like 3rd of May, that on 1st and 2nd I will just set up all the account, because in case if I set up it earlier, the people like who will provide me the confirmation earlier, I will take their account and the trading will get started. So I would suggest to do it on 1st and 2nd of May, so that during the weekend the market is closed and all the trades will open together on Monday. Before we go further, it is my duty to remind you again that there is always a level of risk in forex market, comparatively higher than any other investment. So invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so don't speculate with capital that you cannot afford to lose. This is my duty to just remind these important points. Okay, so now the thing is how you are going to connect your account with my account, right? So what you have to do, most of you know like how VPS work. VPS is almost like your computer screen, and the same way what you install in your computer, just do the same way in your VPS. Just install your broker MT4 account that you are intent to use for a particular strategy. In case if you're like if you're looking to use like 3 brokers for one strategy, or maybe I mean 2 broker for one strategy, or maybe 6 broker for 3 strategies, that all upon you. But I would suggest to keep it separate for one particular strategy, because couple of trades and the currency pairs will be the same. So I don't suggest to use the same broker for all the strategies together. Okay, so what you have to do, just install the your MT4 in your VPS with the prescribed equity and the type of account that I suggested, and just let me know what kind of strategy option that you will choose, that I have just mentioned, like 3 kind of strategies that we will be using. And make sure one separate MT4 account for a different broker per strategy as per your choice. Okay, and VPS with 1 GB RAM is more than sufficient to run 2 MT4 account. And if you want to choose more strategy to take it further, either go for higher RAM, or either get an additional VPS to let your MT4 run smooth and no lagging. And then inform me about the account number, your account number that you would like to add, and the kind of strategy that you would like to follow. And based on your input, I will add your account in the strategy to follow in my provider account. And once your receiver account details is being accepted by me, then I will inform you that it has been accepted in my provider system. Then you please install a ex4 file that I will provide you, and you can set up that ex4 file in your MT4 on any chart. Okay, what you have to do first, that go in the tools, then options, then expert advisor, then click on allow DLL import and allow web request, and make sure your auto trading option is on. And I will provide you 2 URL, and you just have to add it there on clicking add new URL one by one. And once you are done, just click on OK, and then refresh your expert advisor folder and drag the receiver.ex4 file that I will provide you. Just install in any of the chart, because it doesn't matter that which chart you are going to install, because you just have to receive the trades, right? And once it is done, just get the provider account from me and add it in your provider list. You can put any type of comment if you want, and once done, just click OK and click on enable. So you might be confused like with the steps, so let me just try to make it simpler with here. However, the steps are very steps I have already provided you, but let me just go through it one by one, so that most of you be able to understand that how this will be done. Okay, suppose this is your account. Just suppose this is your account, and your account number is this one, right? So first of all, this account number, you should provide me this account number and the kind of strategy that you would like to follow. In case if you would like to follow HG6 or EV8 or AV8, you should be able to let me know which type of strategy you would like to connect on this particular account. This is your account, just for an example. And once you provide me your account, I will add it first. You don't have to do anything right now. First, it needs to be added by me in that particular strategy account, the provider account that I will be using to provide trades for that particular strategy. And suppose let's go like this. The account number we have already seen. Okay, and then I will accept your account number in the receiver list. And once I am done, suppose I have already accepted your account number. Okay, then what you are supposed to do now, the ex4 file that I will provide you, you just need to copy that file and open the data folder. From file, just click on file, go on data folder, open data folder, then go on MQL4, then go on experts, and just paste the file over here. Like in this case, the ex4 file would be like this. Okay, this is like trade receiver, that for receiving the trade. So you will receive this kind of ex4 and just paste it over here. Go on file, then open data folder, then go on MQL4, then expert advisor, then just paste it over here in the expert folder. Okay, then the second step, you don't have to do anything. Just refresh it over here, just expert advisor, refresh, and you will see the expert advisor and the ex4 file is already being there. Okay, you can see the file over here. Then what you have to do, go to tools. You will find these options at the top of your MT4. One is file, one is view, then insert, then charts, then tools. Go to tools, click on tools, then go to options. Here click on expert advisor and then click on allow DLL import and allow web request. Just click on these two and then click on add new URL. Okay, so in this case, like just for an example, these two are the URLs that we will use just for an example. Okay, so just copy these URL that I will be providing you over here by clicking on add new URL. Just copy those URL over here. I have already copied it over here, but in your case, just click on add new URL and copy and just paste it over here, and then again click on plus and add the second one over here. Okay, make sure this is ticked and your auto trading is on. Okay, the auto trading, like you will see the icon at the top of your MT4, auto trading is on, and after that you do this and just click on OK. Okay, now what you have to do, now we will do whatever that we will be doing with this ex4. Open any chart, it doesn't matter, just open any one chart, don't open multiple charts, just open one chart and just click on it, the expert advisor file. Okay, and just drag it over here. It is the same type of file. Allow DLL import should be clicked and allow import of external expert to be clicked, allow live trading to be clicked. Okay, then okay, nothing else. Now this will initialize the preparation of your receiver account, and your receiver account will be like this, right? It is, you can see the icon over here, it is not connected, it is showing that it has not been connected, and the active status is disabled. Suppose this account has already been added in my provider in my receiver account. Okay, so once I accept the receiver account, what you have to do, I will provide you the account number from which you would be receiving the trade for that particular strategy. In this case, suppose my provider account number for that particular strategy that you have chosen is this one. I will just copy this and go to provider list and just paste it over here. Okay, you can put any description you would like to add, like suppose you have opted for EV8, or you can go for any type of comment. This is just for your use, so I mean it doesn't matter for me. So you can put any type of comment, but use this for just one strategy at one time. Okay, suppose you have added EV8 or anything else. Maybe your name says Steve, or anything like you would like to do, and just click on OK. It will ask like whether you really want to save this provider. Since I have already accepted it, it is asking you whether you would like to save the provider. Say suppose you say no. In case if you put any other account number, say 453, like this is just a random number, and you click on OK, so it will show you provider account is not found, because this account number has not been added in the provider account. But since I have already added you and you have the provider account number, just go on provider list, just paste it over here and put any kind of description you would say, EV8 Steve or anything. Okay, and just click on OK. Yes, this is receiver account, this is your account. This has still not connected because active status is disabled. You don't have to do anything, just click on it, just click on over here and make it enabled. Now see the kind of icon, it is showing that it has already been connected with my account. So whatever trades that I start with, you will receive those trades in your account. So it's better to do in your VPS, and we will start it fresh. That would be a better option. Okay, so I hope you already got it, like what I wanted to tell you, that how you can connect your account with my account. And more, please stay tuned on my Telegram channel. Link is already there in the description. Hope this is going to be mutually beneficial for both of us, guys. Again, this is very new for me, copy trading, so still I'm a little nervous on that, because I'm not sure like how copy trading is going to work. But this is just a free trial, so let's hope this really works for both of us. And I'm pretty confident on the forex system, but the copy trading system I'm not too sure. But hope this is going to be smooth. So let's work together, and stay tuned, and take care, and stay healthy, and spend quality time with your family. Take care, bye, and see you soon.